Hi everybody, welcome. Today we are going to draw George from Peppa Pig, playing with a dinosaur. We started by making a circle and the rest of the head well rounded. Now we draw his eyes and the ears, that is. We also make nose holes. We paint a circle and a smile. So very well. We make his tongue and teeth. Now we draw another circle for the body. And legs. We color the legs a little. Now we draw his arms. And let's go for the dinosaur. We make the shape of the dinosaur's body. You like dinosaurs. Very scary, aren't they? But don't be afraid, it won't do anything to you. This dinosaur has 2 legs and 2 others below. We draw his eyes and we make some triangles like teeth. We also make triangles on his back. You are doing very well. If you are liking the video, you can subscribe and like us. Now we move on to review the drawing. We go through the outside without going out. So very well. Don't go away, we still have to color the drawing. Let's see where we start. I'm going to get the grain for the dinosaur. This dinosaur looks like a lizard. We colored the whole dinosaur without coming out. Now we take another color. This time the dark green. And we are going to make some textures. The dinosaur would already be. Now we take the pink and start coloring George. We start at the edges. So very well. And now we color the inside. We do the same for the head. We color the edges. Very carefully. And now the inside. had a great time, George. You can tell he likes dinosaurs. We also color the nose and our ears that do not move. And now we take another color for the cheek. We review the edge and color the inside red. And now with the brown nose pockets. Let's put the teeth a little yellow. And I'll see you in the next video. See you later.